Hello, my name is Jo and today I'm going to show you our new printer, the Enterprise Elite. We have brought this robust 300 dpi printer with speeds of up to 102mm per second for customers requiring a slightly more industrial printer, both in size and capacity. It comes with adjustable media tension and feed and takes foils of 300 metres in length, available in 4 different widths: 110mm, 55mm, 40mm and 30mm. The Enterprise Elite is available with an optional Bluetooth module and a standalone function, making this printer a perfect solution for busy retail outlets. On the front left of the printer are the power and feed buttons, along with navigation for the LCD panel. This panel allows access to printer settings as well as the standalone facility. At the rear of the printer, you have the power input, USB port for use with the optional keyboard or memory stick, another USB to allow connection to your PC, an RS-232 port, Ethernet port. Then at the top of the case you have an auto calibration button. Alongside this is an allocated space for optional installation of either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity. Before loading the new foil, make sure the printhead release lever is in the up position. Attach the new end of your foil to the spare core provided and start to roll towards the feeder foil, rolling it under the material. To load the feeder foil slides onto the lower arm, feeds under the printhead and up and onto the spare rewind core. Full instructions are given for this on the inside of the printer cover for your use. The ribbon, or labels, slide onto the fixed spindle at the back of the printer. You can see there is much more room for larger rolls here. This is kept in place by an adjustable locking ribbon guide. The media is fed under the adjustable ribbon guide, then under the light sensor, and you must ensure that the adjustable light sensor covers part of the material to be printed, and then under the printhead. At the front of the printhead are 2 tensioners, which can be moved left or right depending on what width of ribbon and foil you're printing with. To complete loading, simply pull the printhead release printer into the lock position. If this is not locked in, the printer will not print and an error code will show in the display panel. The Enterprise Elite will print from 10mm up to 100mm. When printing 10mm, you will need to use the single width adapter provided with the printer to keep the ribbon from moving about. As with all our printers, the Enterprise Elite can print multiple ribbons at the same time. We have adapters from 10mm up to 45mm. The software templates have been designed and are available in the download section of our website. To load the ribbon into the adapter, simply push the end down into the first slot, under the adapter itself, and then up and out of the corresponding slot. Do this until the adapter is fully loaded. Put the ribbon rolls onto the fixed spindle as usual. The loaded adapter is then pushed under the adjustable ribbon guide between the black static guide, and then the green right-hand movable guide is moved to keep the adapter firmly in place. The ribbon is then pulled gently one by one under the light sensor and the printhead. Lock the printhead down and you're ready to print. I hope you found this video useful. For more help and information, please call on 01527 877711 or email us at info@ribbonwriter.com. You can find more videos on our other products on our website www.ribbonwriter.com. Find us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and why not subscribe to our YouTube channel, Versatility in Print, for new video releases. Thank you for watching.